In this video, I am going to discuss with you features of management. So, from the board point of view, directly they will not ask you the features of management, but some kind of case study may arise from this topic. So, first feature is management is goal oriented process. So, management always aimed at achieving the organizational goals, that means long term objective in the best possible manner. मैनेजमेंट का हमेशा क्या उद्देश्य होता है कि वो जो मैनेजमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के प्री डिटरमिन्ड लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स हैं वो उनको बेस्ट पॉसिबल मैनर में अचीव कर सकें. मैनेजमेंट इज़ प्रोग्रेसिव. So, managerial activities are to be performed in all type of organizations, departments, whether the organization is big, small, it is profit organization, not for profit organization, it is manufacturing organization or service organization. This concept of management is used in the whole world. So, in that way, we can say that management is pervasive. Pervasive here means universal. Third here is management is multi-dimension. So, management is not a single activity. It includes mainly three activities, that is management of work, management of people, management of operation. So, first of all, what is meant by management of work? Management of work here means handling day-to-day activities. Every organization is set up to perform some kind of goals. हर organization जो है उसका एक उद्देश्य होता है. जैसे कि suppose school is providing education to the students, hospital is treating sick patient, industry is manufacturing products. So, management makes sure that work is accomplished effectively, means on time and efficiently at least cost. So, management is basically aimed at handling day-to-day activities to complete the task on time or at least cost. Second here is management of people. You know that here people means employees, human resource. You know that employees are treated as the most precious asset of an organization. So, मैनेजमेंट जो है वो क्या करती है? मैनेजमेंट हमेशा अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ के टैलेंट को इंक्रीज़ करती है, उनको प्रॉपरली ट्रेन करती है ताकि वो अपने टैलेंट को मैक्सिमम वे में यूज़ कर सकें. दे मेक देयर स्ट्रेंथ इफेक्टिव एंड द वीकनेसेस irrelevant. So, management motivate people by way of two dimensions. First, by taking care of employees individual need, वो employee की individual needs का ध्यान रखते हैं. taking care of group of people, so they divide the task in various groups and they take care of every group. हर group का वो ध्यान रखते हैं. Now, management of operation. Management of operation is the combination of management of work and management of people. So, इसमें मैनेजमेंट क्या करती है? मैनेजमेंट दे डिसाइड व्हाट वर्क हैज़ बीन डन, क्या काम करना है, हाउ इट हैज़ टू बी डन, इसको कैसे करना है, एंड हु विल डू इट, और इसको हर टास्क को कौन पर्टिकुलर एम्प्लॉय करेगा. सो फोकस ऑफ ऑन मैनेजमेंट ऑफ वर्क विद मैनेजमेंट ऑफ पीपल. So, management of operation is the combination of management of work and management of people. So, next here is management is a continuous process. So, management is never ending function. So, all the functions of management are performed continuously. So, the functions may be the planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. They are to be performed by all the managers all the time. It is a never ending process. Next function here is management is a dynamic function. So, management has to make change in their targets as per change in the external environment. Here external environment means social environment, economical environment, technical environment and political environment. So, as the changes may arises in the external environment, management will have to make a change in their goals and targets to survive in the competitive market. So, next here is management as a group activities. So, Managing the organization is not one man show. So number of individuals are designated on different job positions with different tasks and different powers. So we can say that management is a group activity. Number of functions are to be performed by different person in the different way as per the task assigned to them. So, like in an organization, suppose in a manufacturing organization, there is production manager, there is marketing manager, there is sales manager. So, we can say that management is a group activity. Now, the last here is intangible. Management is intangible. So, management function has not physically seen. Its presence can be felt. The presence of management can be felt by observing the performance of the organization. If the organization is growing, then you can say that this is the result of efficient management that you can feel, you cannot see.